This is right off of the elevator, so you can actually see M Resort is like literally at the end of town, and all it is desert and mountains.
Here we go.
Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And today we are actually off-strip. This is our first off-strip hotel review. And we are bringing you to M Resort.
We're here in a king room. We have a pretty cool view of the strip and the pool.
You can see right here, this is the lobby. It is the official team headquarters hotel for the Raiders.
Yay.
And so you actually see a lot of Raiders stuff all around. But let's go check out the room.
Let's go.
The decor in this place is very elegant. It is just a clean, totally clean vibe. Big windows everywhere, nice and bright. Fancy cars in the lobby.
All right, we are on the 10th floor. This is room 10129. Immediately when you walk in, you can definitely notice that the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, but we're gonna start to the right. Here's your bathroom. You do have closet space right here, where you got your robe, your luggage rack, and your ironing board. Slippers if you want them. There's a separate bathroom area. Double vanity. You do have a TV in the mirror, always a cool thing. The shower is actually very nice. Lots of good water pressure. Here's your bath products. Literally, bath. Or bathe. Here you've got a nice deep soaking tub. No jets in this, but there is a cool shade feature, which you can press open, and then it opens up to the room. You do have a full-length mirror. This does have an adjoining room. We do not know the people next door. As you come over, there's those windows. This is a king bed. Not a ton of outlets, which I would kind of expect because it's pretty new. There is a nice charging port right here. But on the other side of the bed, there are no outlets. So these are going to be your main outlets for the room, or at least at the bedside. As you come over here, you got a nice sized TV, probably about 50 inches. A Keurig with coffee. A nice little workstation. There is a diffuser if you need any of that stuff. As you open up this first cabinet, this is where you've got a nice fridge, as well as a good-sized safe. Drawers are nice and deep, and here you have more closet space. So if you're not looking to have your clothes in the bathroom, that would be a good spot for you. Over here, as I was saying, there are no outlets on this side of the bed. And you do have light switches for above the bed. Nice lamp and chairs. And then this is a view of the pool. we'll get a little closer view that will let you see. I don't believe that the main pool is open right now, because you can see there is nobody down there. But then there's a smaller pool over here where there actually are a couple people. And then way over there, you've got the Las Vegas Strip. It's actually South Point between here and the Strip, but we're gonna be headed over there next. Hey everybody, thanks for watching our video. If you're enjoying them, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are down below.
Thank you.